Hi YouTube, back with another video. And I don't know if y'all wondering, not wondering, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. I do have a car. It's a Nova. It's on Rucci's. Y'all just tuning in, just seeing this video, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. But the reason why I'm not driving my car is because of the shocks. The shocks on the tires. It's scraping the back tires. It's scraping right here. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna pull it out in the sun so y'all can see better. See how it's scraping? Oh, right here, man. It just tore my tires up, man. So I'd rather just not drive it. But I'm gonna cold start it for y'all. Start it up. And I haven't drove it and started it in a while, but how about I just, you know. Let me set the camera. Let me see if I can lean it. Let me see how can I do this. See if I can lean it like right there. Y'all can see it start. Let me see something. Some of y'all like these cold starts. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there and start it. We hadn't been started up in about a week or something, so let me fire it up for y'all. I just ain't got time to, might need another winter to get it done. So right now I'm just filming, but man, this shit look ugly, man. Tearing up my tires, man, look at that. Look at that right there. Nova on Rucci, for sure. But paint bad. The paint ain't doing too good. I still got some wiring issues. And this little piece right here, I do got that. I have that. Let me show y'all. I gotta get that painted. See, I do have that. Right here. I don't know if this one is the driver's side or the passenger side. Hold on. One that motherfucker. I forgot, man. There you go. Go like that, y'all. So I do have that piece. The painter didn't paint it, man. So when he messed up, I just got mad and just took my car, took it to the interior shop, and I planned on taking it back to him. I just said, forget it, I'm not gonna do it. So I got somebody in mind, but I ain't trying to spend a whole lot of money, man, just to paint. Fuck all that, man. I think I'm gonna make it out of a race car, man. I've been to the racetracks and stuff. I've been looking online. I'm gonna order some books. Then I'm gonna get that linkage for this carburetor so it can make the gas go in there faster. You know, and then it'll go fast. But anyway, look. How that look, y'all, when I put that on there. Oh, I'm about to break it. Anyway, the interior look good. There it is.